Let's be honest. When you pictured starting your practice, you probably didn't dream of endless administrative tasks. I know I didn't. I became a therapist to help people. But somewhere along the way, the paperwork, scheduling, billing, and everything else started to take over. The challenges piled up. I was juggling complex cases, managing cancellations and no-shows, figuring out payroll, and stressing over finances. My work-life balance? Forget about it. I felt like I was spending more time on the business of therapy than on therapy itself. That's when I discovered TheraNest, an EHR built specifically for therapists. Let me show you how I use it to make my days easier, keep my practice thriving, and give my clients the attention they deserve. Managing your appointments and keeping your schedule organized is crucial. Let me show you how TheraNest makes it incredibly simple. Let's start with scheduling appointments. Running a practice can feel overwhelming at times. There's always so much to do. One of the things that keeps me grounded is my schedule. It's my roadmap for the day. Everything I need is right here at my fingertips, so I don't have to waste time clicking through different tabs or searching for files. Every morning, I pull up the schedule to see my client sessions for the day, both in person and telehealth. I can also quickly check if clients have any balances due or if there are any tasks I need to complete, like writing notes or generating invoices. What I love is how everything is connected. Need to start a telehealth session? One click and I'm in. Need to write a note or check a client's file? It's all right here. I check it throughout the day to keep everything running smoothly and effortlessly. The schedule is customizable, so it's easy for my staff and I to plan and manage our days. Scheduling used to take forever. Adding new clients or rescheduling appointments meant endless back and forth phone calls. Now, it's so much simpler. Let's say I get a call from a new client. I can add him to my schedule in just a few clicks. In this case, I'm scheduling a recurring telehealth group appointment. I also turned on the self-scheduling feature in my TheraNest client portal so clients can choose the time that works best for them. This makes scheduling easier, more efficient, and a better experience for everyone. Speaking of the client portal, it's a fantastic self-service tool where clients can update their information, see invoices, even print super bills. And for parents, there's a family portal too. No more juggling multiple logins. Today, one of my new clients is filling out his intake paperwork, right from the comfort of his own home. Once he's done, he can schedule his first appointment and boom, it instantly appears on my calendar. When it's time for his session, I'll have everything I need, like his intake forms and history already in his profile. But what happens when a client cancels at the last minute or doesn't show up at all? It used to be so stressful for me to track these situations and enforce my cancellation policy. Now, I have a clear cancellation and no-show policy that I set myself, and it's all automated so I don't have to spend time tracking down clients who missed appointments. And if I choose to, I can get paid even if they don't show up. And speaking of no-shows, I've noticed a big drop since I turned on automated appointment reminders. It's made a real difference. Telehealth is essential to run a modern therapy practice. Now let me show you how telehealth works with TheraNest. Whether it's because a client can't make it into the office or I'm working from home, it's so helpful to have the option. Honestly, telehealth used to intimidate me. I had to use a separate system with another login. It was just one more thing to manage. But now, it's integrated right into the software. It's so easy. No extra logins, no complicated instructions for me or my clients. Here's how I start a telehealth session. I just go to my schedule, find the appointment, and click Start Telehealth. It's that simple. And for my client, he just clicks a secure link and he's in. It works on his computer, tablet, or phone. I love how easy it is for him. Let's talk about paperwork and notes. Notes. They used to be the bane of my existence. They took so long that I'd be catching up on them late at night. But now, notes are actually manageable. The software has templates designed specifically for mental health. And there are all these shortcuts to help me document sessions quickly and accurately. I can even get most of my notes done during the workday, which is amazing. Watch how easy it is for me to make a note based on a group session I just completed. My clients' diagnostic impressions and treatment goals are filled in automatically. All I have to do is update any new information. I'll do a quick mental status check-in, and just like that, I have accurate notes to help me provide quality care and make sure my billing goes smoothly. And if I want to create my own custom template, I can do that too. It's flexible enough to fit my style and the needs of my clients. I can even switch templates as I'm writing notes without losing any progress. One of the things I appreciate most, especially as a practice owner, is that I can easily see which notes are signed and which ones still need to be completed. It keeps everyone on track. Let's jump into TheraNest billing tools and their impact on your income. I've seen my clients, I've documented the sessions, now it's time for billing. That's where the automation features really shine. They help my practice capture the revenue it needs to keep going strong. Insurance billing used to be such a headache. Now, it practically runs on autopilot. Once I create an invoice, it automatically turns into a claim, gets submitted, and the ERA gets processed without me having to lift a finger. For any remaining balances, or for my self-pay clients, I can easily collect payments by credit card, or even set up automatic payment schedules. I can also charge credit cards in batches, which saves a ton of time. TheraNest not only helps ensure that I get paid fairly, but it also gives me a really clear picture of my practice's overall financial health. For example, there are all these automated reports that show me my daily billing, accounts receivable, payroll, client attendance, everything's right there. With over 20 built-in reports, I don't have to spend hours analyzing data or wondering about my financial well-being. The best part of all this, I'm more organized, more efficient, and more relaxed. Instead of chasing details, I can focus on my clients and their needs. Before, I was constantly stressed about paperwork and billing, and that took my attention away from where it should have been. Now, even when my days are hectic, and let's be real, they often are, I can be fully present for my clients, especially those with complex cases. It's so rewarding to know that I can give them my full attention and support. And of course, it's crucial that all of this is HIPAA compliant and that my data is encrypted. I have complete peace of mind knowing that my practice's information and my client's data is always secure. You've seen how I use TheraNest to put my administrative tasks on autopilot. With client self-scheduling, streamlined intake, easy note-taking, automated billing, and insightful reporting, I've been able to put my clients first, achieve a much better work-life balance, and become a better therapist. You work hard to support your staff, clients, and community, so let TheraNest support you. Ready to get going? Start your 21-day free trial of TheraNest right now.